boy Skimp, and we at Poppin Pizzas out here in Hampton, Georgia, and we're finna do a quick walkthrough on the fireworks. Come on, let's get it done. First, we're finna start off with the Ninja Stars. Nice little things. Jack in the Box. Then we got J504 bombers. Kind of remind me of the Boeings, but okay. Then we got the Speed Demons, which is, it's like what do you want to call them? Sometimes I'll be forgetting sometimes these things, but yeah. It's, But Utter Chaos, never heard of these. It's by Black Cat. I don't know what they do, but it seems like they pretty good. And y'all got the usual, the ladybugs. Then you got Planet Invasion. That's another thing that I need to start buying stuff like this. And boy. And we got Fly Hoover and Boom. That's another one. I have no idea what it does, but I'm curious about that one too. It's thing about us being pyros, we always curious about the unknown. We don't know everything, but we shoot off a lot of cakes, but we don't know like exactly what it does, especially this 6 minutes smoke. Dang, see, I never seen this one either. A smoke that'll last for 6 minutes. Wow, this is pretty cool and interesting too at the same time. Then you got the Mega 10. This is 10 minutes. 10-minute smoke bomb. Wow, I didn't even know smoke bombs even last that long. That's new. Then we got the Patriot. 3-color smoke. So if it's 3-color smoke, so that must represent the red, white, and blue, being a Patriot. It's by Fire Factory. That's interesting. Never seen this one before neither. And we got another 6-minute smoke, which is the same as right here. So yeah. Then we got the camo smoke. I don't know how long this lasts though, but it seems like it's a pretty good smoke bomb. Then we got the Hot Pink by Dominator, which is one of my favorite brands. And let's jump down to here, to the Cloud9. Some kind of cone fountains. It look like fountains. Yeah, they are fountains. Then we got the Angry Hornet. Never shot these off, but I'm curious about what they do. Then we got Patriot Day. This is a 200 grammer. 20 shots. Oh wow. By Big Fireworks. Then we got the Smoke Dragon. This is the daytime cake by Window. So you can shoot this during the daytime. So apparently it shoot off smoke before the big break in the air. Okay, which is cool. I like that. Then we got the 1.4G cases of different. I don't know who is this from. Is this from Brothers or I'm not sure. No, it's from Mega Fireworks. But y'all get on the description and let me know. Then we got another one by Brothers. We got the whole like the Crime Scene, Inside Job, Blood Money, and Turf Wars. One of my favorite fucking cakes. I swear, this is one of my favorite ones, especially in a show. A lot of, man, especially the bomb too, like the atom bomb, hydrogen bomb, cobalt bomb, neutron bomb. One of my favorites from Brothers 2. Can't get no better than that. In fact, let me go back. It's by Madness. This is by Madness Fireworks right here. Madness, yeah. I had to think about it. But here, I never heard of this brand before. Pyro Pirate. But as you can see, you got different brands in here. I never heard of this brand before ever until now. But it seems like it got some very cool cakes and effects, but I don't know nothing about it right now. But I'm gonna have to purchase this. That's on the list for sure. Then we got another one, 1.4 Treasure Island. I'm not sure who is it from. Oh, Jesus. And plus, if you mention my name at this particular fireworks store, you get 20% or 25% off. Just mention Skimp and you'll get 25% off. And we got some other stuff going on around here, and I'm not really. This is the first time. Hey, just being honest with you, this is the first time I ever encountering some of these certain fireworks. I don't know nothing about them. Then we got something by Shogun. I know about them. This assortment. And then we got Toadstool City from Power Planet, which I'm very familiar with. Wind Up, which is a classic. I love that. And the thing I love about Wind Up is because it start off slow and then it has a random shot at the end. A beautiful finale. Double Duration by Madness. I don't know pretty too much about it. Some of these fireworks, you don't understand. I never shot them off before. This is new to me. Then we got Red Fang by Machine Made Fireworks. That's new too. But get in the comments and let me know what y'all think about these certain products, because I don't know. It's new to me too. Then we got boots and spurs. What a cowboy. Then we got Star Kisses. I don't know who made this. This is new. Dynamite Fireworks. Like I said, get in the comments. Let me know if y'all ever heard of these particular cakes. We got Cheeky Pyro. It's a 12 shot. Never heard of this one either. But Dynamite, yeah, it's about Dynamite Fireworks. Okay. Ooh. And let's go up to Toadstool City. We got Double Detonation by Madness. Then we got Happy Family. Never heard of this one. By Happy Family Fireworks. Okay. Then we got Madness, Hauser, a classic from Brothers. Another one. Then we got Eyes Wide Open by Raccoon, which is a common cake, especially from Raccoon Fireworks. And then we got House Party. I remember the movie House Party. But yeah, House Party, 42 shots. I'm a big fan of House Party, so yeah. With Kid and Play. If y'all don't know who's Kid and Play is with the house parties, yeah, House Party. Wildflower by Great Grizzlies and Ben Dragon by Great Grizzlies. Then we got Stone to the Bone by Madness. Sky Hunter by Raccoon, another big fan. I'm a big fan of Raccoon Fireworks. Then we got Neon Paintball. Yeah, I'm not sure what this made from. Oh, okay, dynamite fireworks. See, I'm not really familiar with dynamite fireworks, but I will be real soon. I'm finna start demoing everything. Then we got Mamba Spirit. Kingdom of the Curse by Raccoon. Then we got Baba Yaga. If I'm saying it right, I don't know. But then we got Stone by the Bone, Walkers. We got the other classic, Turf Wars from Brothers. Then we got Frontline down here by Firehawk Fireworks. Then we got Heavy Metal by Firehawk. Then we got Wild Factor by Firehawk. Irish Legend, a classic. That is a classic. Then we got Blue Angel by Miracle. Another cake I'm not really familiar with. It's called Smoking Alien Fireworks. It's Communicano. That kind of remind me of the John Wick way when John Wick was ex-Communicano during the movie. But yeah, I'm not familiar about these. I never heard of this brand, but I will. Trust me, y'all will see the demos on this one. Then we got Rock Lobster. We got High Def, which is a classic by World Class. Atomic Willows by Fire Factory. I'm not sure about this cake, but I'm very curious of shooting this off. Then we got Screwed Loose by Window. Then we got Blazing Peony and SWAT Team by Dominator. This is the first. I don't know if this is a new cake. Let me know, please. Let me know if this is a new cake. I think it's new because I know about Dominator, but I don't know if that's new or not. But I think it is though. That's the first time I've seen it. Then we got Silver Dragon. Stand Up for America. Then we got Blunt Joke by Brothers, another classic. Oh boy, this is right here. These four right here. These are the classics from Brothers. You can buy them in a set. You got Neutron, Cobalt, Atom, and Hydrogen Bomb. But the best one, what shoots the best, is Hydrogen Bomb. Y'all should know that. But yeah, we got This and That. It kind of remind me of a song, This and That. I think in fact, yeah, This and That. I think it was out of Atlanta. Yeah, there was. Thinking about it, yeah, it was a female group called This and That, and they was from out of Atlanta. But yeah, you got Disturbed, Shockwave. You got the Big Easy, Big and Bad, Taste the Rainbow, a classic. And let's go back down. Let's just come up. Grunt Strut. Yeah, Grunt Strut. And this is Getting Good by Miracle. I never heard of this cake, but damn, we sent what? Let It Ride? Yeah, Let It Ride by Great Grizzlies. Yes, your typical classic Saturday Night Special, which is a good cake by Brothers. Then we got Banana Split by Window, which is another good one. Band of Brothers by Raccoon. Never shot that off. I don't know what it does, what the effects, but get in the comments and let me know. Lethally Blondie by Great Grizzlies. Actually, this is new too. I ain't seen this one. And Vegas Bombs by Great Grizzlies. Then we got the Big Bomb Theory. We got Venom, a classic by Legend. Heard of Legend. And now this is a 1.4 Pro. I already know this one. Swimming. I demoed this one already. Great cake. I definitely know this is a 1.4 Pro. Then we got Flashpoint. Yeah. Point. Yeah. And we got Occupy Mars. Another great cake right here, Nishiki Willows by Dominator. I remember demoing that shit years ago. Good one. Good cake. Southern Thing. Yeah. By Dynamite Fireworks. I'm getting curious about Dynamite Fireworks right now because I never shot them off. I don't know what they do. It's a new brand to me. But get in the comments if any other pyro shot Dynamite Fireworks off. Please let me know, and let me know how good is it, the effects on everything. And Happy Family Fireworks. That's another thing. I want to American Hero by Happy Family Fireworks. I never shot them off ever, but like I said, get in the comments. Let me know about these brands if any one of y'all ever shot this off. Then you got In God We Trust, Firefly. You got Pirate King, Primor Screen. Then we got Parrot Prattle, which is another classic by Brothers. We got Neon Shake, Heavenly Halo, Bamboozle, which is another classic from Brothers. We got Max Load. I never heard of this brand either. Like I said, get in the comments, let me know about these particular brands. Then, you know, the classic Hit the Road Jet. Then we got Fire Ninja by Window, another great classic. High Fluting. Time Stand Still by T-Sky. I heard of T-Sky Fireworks. Great. And we got Blood Money by Brothers, a classic. I love them. Then we got Mammoth Crackle. Then we got Patriot Dominance. Then we got the Chronic. Yeah, talking about the Chronic. But yeah, also too we got Trim FX. If I'm saying it right, but yeah. We got Jungle Land, Bad Behavior, got Inside Job, Crime Scene, 1 Minute Riot, 1 Minute Ride, Fan Out, Force Field. Then we got 60 Second Plus. Never on by Madness Fireworks. I need to demo this one, but definitely know about this one. The 2-minute super finale. Rose Grenade. We got Sugar High. Got Fire Factory. Saturn Ring by Dominator. I definitely know this is a 1.4 Pro. Definitely know that one for a fact. Yeah, Pro level, exactly. This is another 1.4 Pro. All that's glitter. Yeah, I can believe it too. Then we got America by Fire Factory. Then Fractured by Great Grizzlies. We got Mega Storm, Sacred Timeline, kind of remind me of the Avengers. Okay. Rush Hour, which remind me of the movie Rush Hour. Then we got Air Assault, which is canister shells. Seem like you got doubles and triple breaks in here. And you got single. Blast Wave Fireworks. This is new. Then you got Assassin, Crackle, Artillery, Whistling, Artillery Shells with Crackling, and Artillery Shells with Whistling by Great Grizzlies. Then you got Unleash the Beast, which is a great classic when it comes to Great Grizzlies. And you got Artillery Shells, just the regular ones. What they call it, dragons, I think. Yeah. Let's go down here from Gumdrop. I never shot them off, but I love ball shells. I've always been a sucker for ball shells. Then you got Devil's Dozen, another ball shell, great. Live Blast. Then you got Pyro Pact and Crazy Mutant. Let's go over here to Hot Shade, which is another beautiful classic from Brothers. Then you already know about this one. Light 'em up, light it up, by Brothers. Golden Peacock, which is another beautiful classic. Love that one. And Mass of Fire by Legend. This is new. Then we got Zombie House by Fire Factory. Never shot this one off, but how many shots? 115 shots. Wow. Then you got Rap. Ain't. Unless I'm saying it wrong. But then we got 100 shot Super Finale by Fire Factory. This is a good cake. I shot that off doing one of my shows. Then you got Infiltration by Great Grizzlies. That's the first time I heard of this one. You got Mega Red Peony, White Peony in my eyes, by Neon Fireworks. I never heard of them neither. So in the comments, let me know if y'all ever heard of Neon Fireworks. That's new. Then we got Dragon Glass, Nishiki Dragon Glass by Hardcore Pyro. That's new. I never heard of that one either. But we all heard of this one though. Double Barrel. Then we got Neon Blaster, another classic by Raccoon. Then we got Wicked by Big Fireworks. And another 3-inch tube, Mad Jester. And we got Migraine by Raccoon and Toxic Salute. And one of my favorites is right here. One of them Nishiki. Oh God, boy. Enormous shells. Yes, the best Nishiki Blast. I thought Raccoon or had the best Nishikis, but Miracle, yeah, they good. Then we got Liberty Bomb. You got Circus with no apps. Conqueror. Yeah. 9-shot. Oh wow. It's a 9-shot with 27 brakes in this. Wow. So pretty much it's a quadruple brake. Each one has 4 brakes in it. Damn man. Okay. Coming over here to the next level. Oh, Super Mario Brothers. I like that. I used to be a big fan of Super Mario Brothers back in the day when I played the video game. Then we got Battle Eagle, a case of them. I guess it come with 18 of them. Let me see. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's how it looks like. Battle Eagle. Okay. Great classic. Then we got the neon yellow by Hardcore Pyro. Okay. Neon blue, neon purple, red, all on from the same company. Then we got Arcade Classic. I think I bought this before a long time ago. I remember buying this online. I think, yeah, in fact, it came with a whole fucking set. A whole complete set. Yeah, when I bought it. I remember this. Then we got Pretty Little Plane, Pretty Little Dragon, So apparently all these come in a set. You can buy these by the cases. Pretty Little Bird, yeah. Then we got Nation Optation. Then we got Blue Ring Palms. Third base. Got gender reveals, blue and pink. Then we got Road Trip. We got Road Trip. Happy Camper. Sapphire Clan. If I'm saying it wrong sometimes, look, my spelling might be a little off sometimes, but yeah. Magic Carpet. Suspended Animation. We got Wild West, Rainbow Nights, which the typical classics. Stop and Go. I don't know nothing about Stop and Go, even though it's by brothers. I've never heard of it, but okay. Let me know in the comments. Then we got Dreams from Hell. Wow, Dreams from Hell. Yeah. No, Dreams from Heaven. My fault. Then we got Time Bomb by Legends, a known classic. We got Hungry. We got Black Lightning, Neon Night, Patriot Boom. To be honest with you, this got so many names on it. Can't even tell you. Wow, I'm just gonna say Noisy. It's 12 shots. Then we got Tiger Bomb, Red, White, and Blue, Neon Rainbows. Let's go back down here to Wild Horses. We got Bling Bling, another classic. Flying Colors. We got Gold Alert, Taste the Rainbow Mini. That's a mini cake. Sold Out. Then we got How We Got Into the Moon. How We Got to the Moon. Wow, that's new. Never heard of that one. Okay. Then we got Peace Out, Us Power, Noise Complaints, Huncho. Then we got Live Cloud, Electric Jellyfish, a classic, another classic from Pyro Planet. Then we got Happy Clown Bomb, Bump Bear, Monkey Wrench, Spacecraft. And we got the Killer. Remind me of the Friday the 13 movies. Then we got Blaze It, Martin Bomb, 4th of July. Never heard of this one either, 4th of July, but okay. Brute Force, Widowmaker, and we got Luck of the Irish. We got Turn and Burn, Top Maverick, Magnificent Festival, a classic. And I'm not sure about this brand, but Crazy Fruit. Yeah, I'm not sure about the name brand. This is the first time I've ever heard of this one. We got Dirt Bomb, Murder Hornet, Zoinks, by another name brand that I want to get in. Just get in the comment with me. Tell me about what y'all feel about smoking aliens on fireworks, because I never shot them off before, and maybe other pyros have, but I haven't. This is new. Same here. Jinkies, another one, by smoking alien fireworks. In fact, I need to I will buy these right now, because just to the point right now, I don't know these fireworks, but I'm curious about them right now. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna purchase these and demo them off. But at the same time, I want y'all to tell me about these. If anybody has any comments about these or good things, just let me know. The Shiki Thunder, and we got Mad Ops, Chamberlain 2000, Pickle Rick, Honeybee, got Color Storm, Bunny and Clyde, and Neon Green. Then we coming over here to the Roman candles, which you got your typical Roman candles. You got the candle mania. Mighty Max candles. Hot colored 10 shots. Then we got that cherry on top, Roman candle. Then we just got the typical Roman candle, 10 shots. And we got the assortment, different ones by Shogun, which I'm familiar with. Then we got Noise Pack. Blue Thunder by Fire Factory. Then we got the typical flashing thunders. And we got the Pro Ops, the classic by Pro Ops fireworks. Then the Brothers Blackjack, classic. Love them. Love these fireworks right here. The Roman candles. Contraband. I never heard of these, but yeah. Pyro plug. That's the first time I ever heard of these. Get in the comments, let me know if any of the Pyro heard of these right here. Pyro plug. Got another what? Brooklyn fireworks. This is another new one. Let me know in the comments. Let me know about these Brooklyn fireworks. I never heard of these before. This is the first. Brooklyn fireworks. Wow. Jesus. So a lot of them I haven't heard of. You got paparazzi. We got the neon blowout canister shells, smoke and mirrors, another beautiful classic. We got the neon rage and tailspin. You know what? Thinking about tailspin, I remember this cartoon show I used to watch back in the day called Tailspin. Crazy. Moving targets. Maximum load. Then we got uproar. Up and roar. Tough guy. These right here, American super shells. And we got also two neon super shells. And we got badass neons. By Great Grizzlies and detonator shells. And your typical classics. I never heard, like I said, man, get in the comment, let me know about these particular brand fireworks, dynamite fireworks, please. I really want to know about these. And it seems like they hit hard. I need to buy them myself, so I can confirm that. But I want y'all to tell me too if y'all ever heard of dynamite fireworks. Then got supernova. Then got them death shells. You know what? Let's change that back because I heard of death shells, but I didn't know that was by dynamite fireworks. Just thinking about it. Then we got the Raging Bulls, the typical, the regular ones, and the Shiki Blast. This is by Raccoons, I know about them. Then we got the Dog of War by Miracle. Then we got our regular smoke and mirrors, a classic. I love them. They hit hard for canister shells. Then you got this over here. What do you call it? Happy 4th canister shells. Then we got the cowbungas. And we got the Terminator shells from Great Grizzly, classics. And Raging Bull. We got the Neon Moon, Deadly Strike, the Jet. Well, literally it's nuclear warfare. And we got American super shells and the 5-inch neon super shells. Then we got the Nissan shells and the Star Spangled Banner shells. Zombie Kings, New World Order, classic. And we got HD shells. Never shot them off before. Then we got the Assassin artillery shells. We got the Ghost Pillars. Then we got the 5-inch Dictator shell. Lit. Just neon. Neon Nishiki. And I'm a big sucker for Nishiki. The Shiki Willows. I'm a big fan of that one. Then we got Happy Family. We got Air Power. Got the Drip. The Drip. I never heard of these. Drip. Yeah, but get in the comments, let me know about the Drip shells if you ever heard of it. The Outlaw. And we got the Death shells. Normal. I love these. I love the Death shells. Never heard of these before. Hattori, Hanzo. Might be saying it wrong, but okay. Then we got the Super Stingers. Then we got the Beach Bombs. Oh, okay. Fracture. Got Fracture shells. King Dragon. Then we got the 50 BMGs. Then we got the Evil Angel. Destroyer shells. Got the Kush. And the Diesel. Wow. The Kush and the Diesel. Dang, that's good. Then we finna come over here to the rockets. We got the Dragon Ball Z rockets. Radioactive. Neutrino rockets. You got the Atomic Warheads. Can't pronounce that. Okay. But y'all see it. Everything, yeah, BFRs, we got all the Howling Commandos. Yeah, we got the typical Corona rockets, one of my favorites. Aerojet, we got Stellar Jets, Blast Off, and the Shiki Galaxy. In fact, I bought some of these right there. I ain't demoed them yet, but they're in the truck of my car. But yeah. This is Skimp B. I'm out.